My name is Sunday Bada. I am here again to teach you guys how to solve mathematics question. Indices, question number 6. We have this question: 1 divided by 81 raised power s minus 2 equals to 27 raised power 1 minus x. Let me write out the question. When you see question like this, the first thing that you need to think is that the 3 is the common thing that we can use to break down this number, because by the time you multiply 3 in 4 times for that 81, you get 81. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27. 27 times 3 is going to give you 81. Therefore, we are going to replace the 81 by 3 raised power 4. And 27 as well, we are going to replace that one by 3 raised power 3, because 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 is going to give us 27. Now let's begin. 1 divided by this 81, we are going to replace it by 3 raised power 4. Brackets, we have x minus 2 there already before. And we have 27, we are going to replace it by 3 raised power 3. Brackets, 1 minus x here already before. Now, what are we going to do now? We are going to open the bracket by multiplying 4 multiplied by s and 4 multiplied by minus 2. 4 times s is going to give me 4x. 4 times minus 2 is going to give me minus 8. 3 times 1 is going to give me 3. 3 times s is going to give me 3x. The next thing I'm going to do, let me just bracket this space like this. Now, the next thing we are going to do is that this denominator, we are going to bring it up. When you bring it up, it will do what? It will give us minus. It will turn to minus. Now, let me write it out like this. 3 raised power minus 4x minus 8 brackets. If we look at this minus is not for only the 4x. It's for the both side. Equals to, let me just write it out, 3 minus 3x. Now, this minus, when we want to use it to multiply it by this bracket, it's going to change this sign, this minus a, to plus. The reason is that this minus 1 is the same thing as minus 1, invisible. 1 is an invisible. When you put minus 1 on something, when you say 1 times 4 is 4. Minus times 4x is going to give you minus 4x. Now, let me cut out the base, this one base, and write out the raised power. We have 4x minus 8 equals to 3 minus 3x. Now, I'm going to multiply this minus. Minus times 4x is going to give me minus 4x. Minus times minus is going to give me plus 8 equals to 3 minus 3x. The next thing we are going to do is to collect like sign. Collect like sign. Minus 4x. This minus, by the time it jump is equal to, it will change to go and meet his elder brother, which is 4x. It will change the sign from minus to plus x is equals to 3 is here already before. By the time the plus 8 jump equals to go and meet his younger brother, it will change to what? To minus 8. You have minus 4 plus 3, you are owing 4 naira, and you have 3 naira plus with 2. When you pay 3 naira, it means that you are still owing minus x. For 3 minus 8 is going to give me what? Minus 5. Minus cancel as minus. S is equal to what? Is equal to 5. Our final answer is what? 5. Thank you for listening. I remain Sunday Bada. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Bye bye.